Welcome back, guys. In today's session we are going to cover the unit of measurement. What's basically the unit of measurement, how we can create a unit of measurement into the VA system. So we'll cover in this particular video. So unit of measurement is nothing but it is just a symbol to quantify the quantity of the product. Okay, so let's move on to the formal definition of unit of measurement. So UOM stands for unit of measurement and refers to a standardized unit used to quantify and measure a specific quantity of the product or material. UOM is used to describe the quantity or volume of items in a consistent and accurate manner and is essential for managing inventory and supply chain operations. Some common unit of measurement used in business include pieces or units. This refers to individual items or products. Dozen, a group of 12 products. Gallon, a unit of volume for liquids, typically used to measure liquids like milk or gasoline. The specific UOM used will be dependent on the nature of the product or material being measured and the industry in which it is used. By standardizing units of measure, business can ensure accurate and efficient inventory management, pricing, and ordering process. This is called unit of measurement. Enough chit chat, let's move on to the system and we'll see how we can create the unit of measurement. So I'm at my login screen, that is the ABC admin I'm logging into, and we'll create the unit of measurement into the VA system. So let's log in. So when you log in into the system, you need to search the unit of measurement window using the search utility available into the menu. So you would be able to figure out the unit of measure window. Click onto the unit of measure window. And there are some default unit of measurements are already provided into the VA system. The one which you are looking forward and is not available into the system, then you would be able to create a new unit of measurement. So I want to create a dozen. So dozen is not available here. So we'll create one of the unit called dozen. Let's say new record. So for dozen, I will say DZ my code, DZ my symbol, and dozen is going to be my name. The precision you need to define. So by default, the precision I'm defining is 2. Costing precision is not in use presently. So if you will not define the costing precision, there is no harm in it. So save the record, and in such a way, the unit of measurement generated into the system. Onto the other side, if you can see, there are certain conversions you would be able to define based on a certain product. So I would be able to define my conversions. Let's suppose from each to dozen, I need to define a certain conversion. So I would be able to define. So let's see each. So here is the each, and I want to define the conversion. You would be able to see the TNet is marked here as system. And I want to define the conversion. I would be able to define the conversion in my TNet. That is basically ABC admin. I can define. By default, it is always recommended to define in star organization so that it would apply to all the organization if you have more than one organization. So if I want to define, then I will select dozen, not day, but it is going to be dozen. I can define for which product I'm defining. So I just need to select a certain product that contains the unit as each. So at the moment I do not have, but I have only a single product. I can click here and I will define my multiply rate is 12 and the other divide rate would be calculated by the system, and I would be able to save the conversions. So in such a way, we would be able to define the unit of measurement conversions, and these conversions would be utilized when you are entering the purchase order, sales order, or sales invoice. So these conversions comes into the picture, and as a result of these conversions, the system allows you to generate the purchase order. Instead of each, you would be able to generate it into the dozens. dozens. So that's basically the unit of measurement preparation into the VA system. I hope you understand how to configure the unit of measurement in Vienna Advantage system. Thank you. Bye-bye.